In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document to a PDF using OneDrive in just 5 minutes. This process is really simple and convenient, especially if you're already using OneDrive for your cloud storage needs. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. To do this, simply open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account login page. Enter your credentials and ensure that you're successfully signed in. Once you're logged in, you should see your account dashboard. Now let's move on to the next step, and that involves locating the apps launcher in the upper left corner of your Microsoft account page. It looks like a 9-dot grid. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu that will list various Microsoft applications. Among these, click on OneDrive and you'll be directed to your OneDrive storage area. Once you're in OneDrive, look to the left-hand menu and click on My Files. This is where all your stored documents and media are located. You'll see a list of your files, and from here you can easily find your Word documents. Next, it's time to select the Word document or documents you'd like to convert to PDF. You can select a single file or multiple files depending on what you need. Simply click on the file to highlight it. After you've selected your documents, you'll need to open them in the Word app online. Do this by right-clicking the document and choosing to open with Word Online. This will bring up your selected document in Microsoft Word's web-based version, allowing you to make any last-minute changes if needed. With your document open in Word Online, head over to the menu at the top, click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll choose Export. This is where you'll initiate the conversion to PDF. When you click on Export, another set of options will pop up. You'll want to select Download as PDF. This tells Microsoft Word to transform your document into a PDF file format. Once you select Download as PDF, you might get prompted to confirm or give additional instructions, but in most cases it will start the conversion process immediately. Finally, a download prompt will appear, or the file will automatically begin downloading depending on your browser settings. And just like that, your Word document is now successfully converted into a PDF and saved onto your computer or device. This converted PDF can be shared easily or stored for future reference. That's it. With these easy steps, you now know how to convert Word documents to PDF on OneDrive, enhancing your workflow and making document sharing even more seamless. Thanks for tuning in and happy converting.